In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Pinterest. First, open your web browser and go to pinterest.com. Make sure the address bar shows the official site and that you see the secure padlock icon. If you use Pinterest often, consider bookmarking the page so it's easy to come back to. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. The layout is similar. If you prefer the Pinterest app, the steps look the same, but I'll demonstrate in a browser to keep it universal. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Login. Depending on your screen size, it may also appear centered on the page in a welcome panel. If your interface language is different, the button might be translated, but it will be in the same general area. In the login window, click the email field and type the email address linked to your Pinterest account. Double check for typos, especially if your browser autofills. If you created your account with a social login, like Google or Apple, you'll need to use that same method. For this walkthrough, we're using the email and password option. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch for caps lock. If you use a password manager, let it fill this securely. You can tap the eye icon to briefly reveal what you typed and confirm it's correct. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it safely. Pinterest will guide you through email verification. When both fields look good, click Login. Give it a moment to process. If your account has extra security enabled, you might be prompted for a verification code. Enter that code to continue. After a successful sign-in, you'll land on your home feed, where you can start saving and organizing ideas right away. If you run into issues, here are quick tips. Make sure you're connected to the internet, then refresh the page. Try a different browser tab or clear your cookies if the login box doesn't load. If you see an error about the email not being recognized, confirm you're using the address you registered with. For password errors, reset it and choose something strong and unique. That's it. You've signed into Pinterest using your email and password. Save the login page as a bookmark, and you'll be just a click away from your next idea.